Welcome to clickmyproject.com. This is the title of our product: Efficient and Private Scoring of Decision Trees, Support Vector Machines and Logistic Regression Models based on Pre-Computation. Here is the abstract of our product. We develop a novel protocol for privacy-preserving classification of decision trees. To derive the parameters for our decision tree classification protocol, we again improve the support vector machines and logistic regression concept for classification. We have taken two benchmark datasets from the UCI machine learning repository for our proposed protocols. Based on the protocols, we have proved that our system provides more efficient results in the privacy preserving classification and overcome the computational and communication complexities. And also we provide accuracy and runtime results for the classification of the data. So here is the flow diagram of our product. First is the data selection and loading. Data mining techniques are the part of business intelligence domain and apply specific algorithm for privacy preserving classification of decision trees. We have taken two UCI benchmark datasets for classification protocols. Here we have load the datasets into the database for further proceeding. Next is the data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is the initial step in mining analysis. Is the processing steps. Here the raw data are pre-processed to discard null values, to identify and to prepare the data to enable its analysis. In this categorization subphase, each record is analyzed to identify high-level data and to extract meaningful information. The next is the data clustering. We cluster the data and analyze, that is the group of task of group a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group are more similar to each other. It is the main task of exploratory data mining and common technique for statistical data analysis used in many fields including the machine learning. Next is the classification. Data classification is the process of organizing data into categories for its most effective use. Here we have implemented SVM and logistic regression for classification. These two concepts is very important for classification. It is a method of training classifiers based on different types of kernel functions, polynomial functions, radial basis functions. Support vector machines are the particular case of hyperplane based classifiers. Logistic regression is the classifier that models the posterior probability of the class given the input features by fitting a logistic curve to the relationship between them. We predict that the instance belong to the positive class, and otherwise we predict the instance belong to the negative class. Next is the client. The client sends the HTTP port request to the server to receive the data. After port number verification received from the client, the server verify the port number. Based on the after the data is sent to the client, based on the received data, the client generates decision trees and performance evaluation for classification protocol. The decision tree we used the implementation of the classification and regression tree algorithm. Each internal node of the tree structure tests the value of the particular corresponding threshold and branches according to the result. Here the client wants to score her data against the model in question of another party. At the end of the protocol, server learns nothing about the client data and client learns as little as possible about the server model. The server receives the HTTP port request from the client. Based on the request, there is a port number verification for data transfer. After verification, the server sends the corresponding data to client for classification protocol. So this is the running procedure of our product. Right click on the index page and click run file option. Click next. Choose the dataset. Select the dataset and click open. Click load data. Data loaded successfully, and show the data from the database, and click next and click pre-process. pre-process done successfully, and show data from the database, and then click next option. This is the segment clustering. Click cluster button. Clustering done successfully, and show the data stored in the database, and then click next option. This is the segment 1 classification. So select the range 1, classify and save, and select range 2, classify and save, and select range 3, classify and save. For segment 1 the data classification is over, and then click next option. For segment 2 we have to classify the range. Select range 1, classify and save, select range 2, classify and save, select range 3, classify and save. For segment 2 the classification is over, and then click next option. For segment 3 select range 1, classify and save, select range 2, classify and save, select range 3, classify and save, and then next. This is the client server process, so we have to open simultaneously the server process. Click run file, right click on it and click run file option. Based on the port number, the client has received the data, and port number is 5555, all 5, and click verify port number. The port number is correct, the server will send the data to the client. So here we receive the data from the client, car data text, then click show data. This is the data. Based on this data the client generate the decision tree for the car segment, and based on the data click performance evaluation. Performance evaluation is created for the depth of the tree and accuracy of the data and classification time. For dataset 1 the process is over. Next we select the diabetes score dataset 2, right click the index file and click run file option. So this is the index page, and right click on it, click next button, choose the dataset, click open. Data is loaded here, and choose load data loaded successfully, and click show data. This is the data stored in the database. Click next button, and then pre-process done successfully, and then click next button. Here we are clustering the levels. Click cluster, and these are level 1, level 2 and level 3. So click next. This is the SVM for classification models level 1. Based on the BP range we are classifying the data according to the SVM concept. Select normal, click classify and save, select pre-hyper, click classify and save, select stage 1, click classify and save, and then select stage 2 hyper, click classify and save, and then click next option. For level 2 select normal, classify and save, select pre-hyper, classify and save, select stage 1 hyper, classify and save, select stage 2 pre-hyper, classify and save, and then click next option. This is the client server process, so simultaneously we have to open the server processing. Right click server, choose run file option. So we have to provide the accurate port number After that, we can receive the data. So the client is entering the port number and click verify port number. After verifying the server send the data to the client. Data diabricks data the text. Then click show data. This is the data sent by the server, and then generate decision tree based on the data. This is the decision tree for diabricks. So level 1, level 2 based on this after SVM classification, and then we can